Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organisation MAKO State Players brought pride to the state in the National Kickboxing Federation Cup 2020-2021, which was held in Dehradun, Uttarakhand from 7 to 10 Feb 2021, where they secured 12 medals, including 6 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 4 bronze medals. The medalists who secured first place are Lorenza Songtiang, Kick Light Senior Women, Rankansai Lynching, Senior Men Musical Form, Kit Bogdakar, Senior Men Kick Light, Daniela Miliamngap, Senior Women Low Kick, Lamprang Karsano, Senior Men K1 Rule, and Frederick Kongsit, Senior Men Low Kick. The medalists who secured the second place are Stephen Wallace Dakar, Junior Boys Full Contact, and Lorenza Songtiang, Senior Women Light Contact, and the players who secured third place are Rankansai Lynching, Senior Men Light Contact, Mebanyacha Prangkarumnud, Junior Boys Light Kick, Junior Boys Kick Light, Wander Maring, Senior Men Light Contact, and Sumar Lang Marwen, Senior Men Low Kick. The team was led by Pinchai Mauri as a coach and Baramdor Karmuti as a technical officer, where they were accompanied by Doni R. Rani as the national president. MAKO gave thanks to Shri Bante Dorlingdo, Sports Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong, Deputy CM of Meghalaya, for their kind blessing to Team MAKO. MAKO wishes to Fly Big Airlines success for being to cooperate the flights from Umroi to Delhi twice a week, and MAKO also give thanks to Manima Barwa of Fly Big Airlines for receiving the MAKO team from Guwahati Airport, and MAKO requests the residents of Meghalaya to utilize this airline regularly.
Kenya di Federation Cup, National Kickboxing Federation Cup 2020-2021 kapa long hapo Uttarakhand Dehradun. Dia yami ni santarik fam kamka kalama jong ka MAKO Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organisation. Dia ngilaya po stay haka santarik idamiat ngipo hapo Delhi untuk sa Delhi dan berita ikimi Malaysia Dehradun. Dan Shillong ke game ka sedang nadu nyo tarik adu sipo tarik fa total states jang India tanda na kadau jeng pendik jang ni ka pandemic pemnia saknia dengan digasian ke beningkong menta adian jang lockdown ni dia states bapoi dengan pakai kinpoi ya ka khat apo ka apo ke states dia tidak ada lagi jang ki events pan idan ki bakambuan ki kena dan kakung lala kajong kategori. Di sana ni ada hanyumut ki participants, language officials. Ya, kalau yo banyak kan setia nama ni lai alam lang yang ka di ka junior bekas senior. Yang lai alam tu kasau sem sedrong, but bayo lek kan setia nama kini ki older cadets pakai di virtual events. Yang haban sudah online. Niling yaki bat kidang katu ningut bam yo lek ka setia ngila su lek ka setia video ngila video ngila su yo online la upload online ya ki bayo ban lek ka bat kia dan sau ngut ya ka sengi mari kena tip ta expense ka di ka lahir ba menta bagi travel da flight sei ngamla ban ong ban jer ka teng ya borok ki well wishes ki no yarap ma ngam ta jong kena ki lahir no senyang Meruki amalia kiri simet bangam lah banjir kerteng ai kubli kerpang ya kiru nungga jongki bangila wan koi ni kotong bak ni ka jinglet jongi metaru kolong bos tenat ba ka bangile ngai ngu so yublehin kong upalader ka bangi bang lech setia kan koi setia 156 ni klamdan no ka jingbet ne ka jing jenjar ki bangi kendu ka bangi lech ka bangi mat ke long bersya ka bersiswa